Jesus. It has been a while since I've been on this freaking thing, bro. Sheesh. Oh my god, there's so many bikes. It's been like a month since I've been able to ride by myself, maybe even 2 months. It's crazy. I actually graduated high school last week, so I don't really know what to do now. I didn't think I'd get this far, quite honestly. But now I have a lot more time to go out, record videos, and just ride. But work, of course. I have to work too. But no school gives me a lot more time to just go out, enjoy the weather, hang out with friends, and just ride, record, just do all sorts of stuff. I don't really know what I'm gonna do now, but yeah, kinda dope, kinda cool. I don't really know where to go. I just kinda took my bike out just because it was a nice day and it's like not windy at all. It's been a while since I've tried to do a wheelie. I can't do wheelies for shit, but like I'll try to find somewhere and see if I can get it up, but like I doubt I will. Ooh, god, oh my god. Sheesh. Man, it's hot out here. It was kind of chilly when I first got on my bike, but like sitting here in the sun, look, you sweat a little bit. And what's this light gonna change, bro? Bruh. Finally. Oh my god. Sorry for like 2 minutes. Bro, this stop sign always messes me up, bro. Literally, what is the point? Huh? What's the point of the stop sign? No point. That is the point. There's no point. Ooh, now it's kind of chilly over here, though. I think my camera has been messed up this whole time. Do you know how much more greater life would be if I had like an actual upload schedule instead of just uploading like once every 3 months? You know how cool that would be? That'd be kind of dope. I'm not gonna lie. Well, not today. For the first time in like a month and a half. But it's fine. I don't really know what to talk about. I'm just kind of out here. Nice bike. I don't really know what they tried to do, but like just having fun. This is a dope little area. It's been a while since I've been back here. The leaves are actually growing. It's actually green back here. This place is cool. Wow. I also got my camera gear on me today. We gotta see if I can find a spot to take some pictures. See what we can do with the camera. Hey, Camaro, looking nice. I love those kind of cars, bro. That's my dream car right there, a freaking Camaro. Dang, well, those things are so nice. Oh, damn well, I can't afford one right now, bro. Jesus. Do it on a scooter. I remember when I used to ride scooters. When I was a kid, I used to have a motorized scooter. It was like a little razor thing with an engine in it. And it was like the most I ever like rode, I guess. My little razor scooter. I think I still have it too. That's what I rode instead of motorcycles. I used to be scared of motorcycles back then, bro. We had like this little, it was like, it had a moped engine. but it looked like a cruiser bike, and it didn't go very fast. I remember trying to ride it when I was a kid and jumping off of it because I was so scared of the idea of being on two wheels and having the balance. But look at me now. Kind of crazy how life works. It smells like cigarettes. It smells like cigarette butts. I was gonna take some pictures down there, but there's like way too many people. Woo! I almost just wiped out. What the hell was that? What the hell is this guy doing? What is this? What? Whoa! What in the hell, bro? I mean, shit, whatever works, bro. Oh, he's coming back out. That was something, all right, bro. Bro, this place is so pretty. There used to be a park here, right there. In I think a baseball field too. I don't know why, but they tore it up. Also, guys, my newest video, the one before this one, where I do speed runs of my Grom on, I think, expressway. Yeah, on an expressway, is my first motorcycle video to achieve 100 plus views, which is kind of mind-boggling to me because I didn't think I would ever get 100 plus views on a video. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support, I guess. I don't really know how to say it, but there's no real way I can express how much awesomeness that contains. That is so cringe. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for all the support recently. It means a lot to me, and I just never thought I would do this. I had 50 plus subs, never thought I'd get that many. And it's cool just to think about the future of the channel and how much more you guys would probably like it if I uploaded more than once a month, but it's fine. Wheelie spot, wheelie spot, wheelie spot. Mask up, stay safe, explore strong. Yeah. Pretty sure they lifted the mask ban where I am. I'm not 100% sure though. I know they did something related to the masks though here in Iowa, but it's fine. I don't really know. I don't really pay attention to that kind of stuff. I'm mostly just sit and play games on the PS5 and watch YouTube. That's pretty much what my life consists of. I don't know how much battery this camera has on it because I only charged it for like 45 minutes before I came out riding, and it was completely dead when I did try to turn it on. Alright, let's try to find a wheelie spot. Not many spots that I know of around my area. It's like nothing. And everywhere there is something, I'll probably get the cops called on me because there's people nearby. So I don't really know where to go. So I found this place. Pretty empty, I'm not gonna lie. There is one lady over there. I don't really know what she's doing. Kind of sketch, not gonna lie, but this is where I used to go back like last year. Yeah, back last year in 2020, like late 2020. I used to come up here and just practice wheelies all day, every day. I used to be decently good at them. Oh, that lady's leaving. Is she leaving? Or is she coming over here? Alright, I think I'm good. I'm gonna set my bag down right here, because the last thing I want to do is break all my camera shit. It'd suck if I forgot that here. It would really suck if I forgot that here. And it has been a long time since I've even attempted a wheelie. Okay. Could be very, very worse. Could be a lot worse, I mean. Like that. It could be like that. Fuck. If you guys could give me any tips on how to do better at wheelies, that would be greatly appreciated, because frankly I don't have that much practice with them, and I don't know how to really get better because none of my friends know how to wheelie either. So I've kind of just stuck with YouTube tutorials and practicing. I would come up here more often, but these people aren't closed on Sundays and late at night. I know how to have your back brake covered at all times. I know that. Know how to pop the clutch. That's the key point. And I'm having trouble just popping it. Just compressing the front forks, I think, and getting it off the ground. Oh, nice. I'm thinking everyone's a cop right now, bro. I can do burnouts and that's it, bro. That's all I can do. Burnouts make my tires squeal on the back when I'm like stopping, and just slam on the back brake. That's the best I can do. Have I caused trouble? Or is he just here to do his recycling? I think you just turn around. That was sketch. That was so sketchy, bro. Scary. That used to be a lot worse. And here's a cop right there. Alright, time to get my stuff and go. That was kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. I think that's my cue to go now. I don't know what she's doing. I don't know, man. Probably coming to yell at me. Low-key. That cop was scary enough, bro. Actually, I'm probably gonna turn around and take some pictures up there, because I haven't posted on my Instagram in almost a month too, so it would probably be good to go down and take some pictures so I can update the gram. I also need to find people to take pictures for me, like me next to my bike, because I can't really do that by myself. Probably gonna go take some pictures, ride around a little bit more, then probably wrap it up at that point. So Lay's still here? Nah, she did. I don't know what she was doing. Pictures, we're gonna take pictures. Oh, I just rode right through that. I'm gonna do it over here. Take pictures over here. So I'm taking pictures over there before, but not over here. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. I dig it. I dig it. Can't leave that. Whew, that hurts. My hands hurt. My hands are killing me. Everything's killing me. Oh, look at that bike gang. Oh, cruiser bikes. I'm currently saving up for, I think, an R3. Because I really want an R3. Because I know if I buy a 600, I would end up killing myself on it. And you can't really ride when you're dead. So, I think progressing up to maybe a 300 or a 400, as in Yamaha R3 or Kawi Ninja 400, would be a pretty nice step up from the Grom. The little 125. Yeah. Alright. Got some dope pictures. That's good. Also cut myself, or scratched myself, which is kind of not so good. And that guy came over. Thought he was gonna yell at me or take my bike or something, but he just has his own stuff going on right now. Alright, what next?